completely gross chemistry. Some BLOOD. Oh, they gave me glasses. This might get messy then. Let me put them on just in case, I guess. But I actually do have glasses, so I might be fine. Might be. I might be fine. Let's put them on in case, though. See if they even fit me. Okay, they do. We got that done. Okay. So there's the straw. Kind of hurts. Okay. Under the sea. Okay. I thought I broke it for a second. There's this. A little spoon. And then, like, some popsicle sticks. And a squeeze thingy. I don't know what you call these. Oh. Okay. Just goes on without even any instructions. Just kidding. We have... I can't read, okay. You can try and read that backwards. French. Okay. Agra powder. Yes. Baking soda. Potassium husk powder. I don't know if they're making this up or if this is real. Zinc sulfide. Okay. I'm not okay. This thing. I don't know what this is. It's like just a bottle. It's not like a tube. Oh, well, it is a tube, but it's the same tube. Okay. And a cup. White sodium. I don't know how to pronounce that. This. Okay. And red. The same thing as that, but red. So that's what they are. If you can read it. That's what I'm talking. Oh, sorry. There. Okay, that's what. Is that what open? Death. Ooh, there's this too. Let's just, there's this. It's like a shaker. There's holes in it. Oops. There's holes in it. Ew, there's something on it. Oh. Okay. Now there's yellow coloring. It's okay. Experiment labels. Eyeballs do not eat. Blood cells do not eat. Oh, sorry. No. Glowing worms do not eat. Boiled boogers. Yay. Yeah. Okay. Guts and brain chunks. I'll just say it. One sec. My is it actually edible? Well, it says use these stickers to label your gross experiment. So I won't need this. So we're done. Experiment guide. No, here's this. And there's 10 bonus. Number 1. Fill the short cup. What is the short cup? This one or this one? The short cup. I'm gonna just say it's this one. Pallium coli. I know what I'm doing. Alright. This stuff. Fill the short cup with I don't understand any of this. Okay, well, it should have measurements. Okay. Well, there's a lot of danger in here. Alright. Okay. We did that. So I have it with water. Okay. Yes. What mediums go on this? I think this one. Which. So, one medium scoop. Is this medium? I'm pretty sure this is medium. So. Okay. Oh, there's a little drop thing. They're not showing the right thing. Okay, well, let's do this. I'm scared. Like, what's gonna happen? So, I just put that in there. Then. Mom, is this considered medium? Mom, is this scoop considered medium out of these ones? Yeah, whatever. We're gonna use this one anyway. I know, so that you know. What is this gonna smell like? I don't know if I using my counter. Go. Oh! Okay. Until it has dissolved. Oh! Yeah! We're just gonna sing. Right here. White. Pull the big scoop. Shoot. I used the wrong one. I think it's okay. It's okay. Even if I added too much, I'm sure it's fine. There. I'll put it like this. So I don't have to touch any of this toxic stuff. Fill the big scoop. Take our red blood from the top. I haven't made that yet. Oh, we're doing it first. Oops. I'm sure we can wait. Like, wait this out? Okay. So we need to make the blood cells first. What's in blood cells? Is it just a normal blood cell? Or is it first No. Bye. Okay. Add 10 of the red. I'm scared. A lot. I'm scared. A lot. I need to kind of hurry up. No, I'm just kidding. This is going to take like an hour. I don't know how long this is going to take, but we'll see at the end. 10 mil. Don't worry. Oh, that looks like blood. I hope it is though. I would have a bit too much though. Like an inch over. Look, that's okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh. It kind of turned into little lines. I can't really show. Oh, you see it, yeah. It just turned into that. Yeah. Fill your small. Squeeze and make it pop. Okay, so I guess we made it. So. I touched it. I'm traumatized. Okay. I'm gonna touch it. Ah, oh, dang. Nah. Oh, just touching it. Oh, no. They're not bad though, but I'm gonna try and. I want to squeeze it. Oh, it did kind of squirt, but not a lot. It busted. Paper towel just in case because this is probably gonna get messy. This is. Ooh. Oh, help me! This is what it is. Oh my god. I'm gonna make more. Because it didn't really turn into little blobbies. It kind of turned into like a whole worm, so I need a bit more. That's why we were supposed to squirt it, I think. Trying to make bigger little blobs. Okay, and then pick it up. Ooh. Ooh. Now we got a bunch. There we go. See, it worked out more. Okay, we'll squirt it. Sorry. Okay, that one worked more. Sorry if you didn't see it. I can't really. I hope YouTube does not take this down. It is all fake. It is all fake. It is 100% all fake. I hate how I just said 100%. Oh, I can make white blood cells too. Should I make white ones? Let's make white ones too. Yeah. Okay. I need to go open this one too. Hopefully it doesn't mix with the other one. Oh, it doesn't. There. Okay. Stick my hand on. Oop. Here you go, little baby. Oh. Oh, that's squirted on my counter. Oh. Oh, it's like slime inside. That's what's inside. It is slime, actually. Good. My guts are on. I'm just kidding, I don't hate it, I actually like it. Now we can make the eyes. So let's take this and we squirt that on. This stuff. Oops. Okay, so I had to fill it up with that, and then I take a blood cell. Oops. I'm just gonna cut it off. Yep. Put it right in. Oh, dang. Let it set in here for about 20 seconds. Or maybe I'll let it in for a bit more. Oh, it doesn't look so good. Yes! I'm a witch. Bah! Let's make another one, because it didn't really turn out. I'm gonna make about 3. Ooh, with a vein, that would look good. Not the veins are. Oh, the texture. The texture is so nice. This is it. Let's just actually move on. Microwave because it's plastic. So let's make glorious guts. So fill the do this big one now. So 50 of this, so I'm gonna go do that. So. I added it and it turned yellow, so I think that was for the pee-pee. So I'm gonna let that go and I'm gonna do this. Put up to 100. Oops. My hands itchy. And then add the calcium chloride stuff. It didn't turn out beautiful, but whatever. Oops. Oops. Oh, it stinks. It's really gross. It's stinky. My hand is itchy. I don't know if it's from touching it. I really don't go to the hospital because my hand is itchy. LOL, I'm squeezing what? That one. That was cute. The red. So you have a long string of guts. That's kind of what I did for the other one. Remember that one? Yeah. That's what we did. Let's make a bunch. And then throw it on my sister. Okay. I'll roll up my sleeves for this. You're supreme. Oh, Jesus. I filled this up too much. Oops. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely. I'm gonna squirt one of the eyeballs. Beep. My hands hurt. I'm itchy now. It hurts. Let's make the pee. Yeah. The pearl red. This is our pea. It should be yellow, I'm pretty sure. It already is. So how much do we have to do this? Oh, 5 drops of this. Stop. And we need this. So like 1, 2, 3. Oh, can you help me open up? So we're gonna go in. Oh, how do you do this again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think like 1 more. Like that. Okay. There we go. Okay. Fill it with baking soda. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we're just gonna use the small one. Oh. And then add baking soda to this. So we've got that. Ooh, it's like turning orange. Add 1 scoop. So with this, I guess. Right now, it looks like we're doing everything correct because, yeah. Oops. Just baking soda. Cleaning this up is going to be make sure the mix well it says. Or wait, maybe you can. I'm going to put on the lid and then just. It says mix will not stir well. Mix well, this is your basic solution. Fill the beaker. And it should turn into a bright pink. Turn into yellow. It turned quick though. And it's supposed to fizz. It's not really fizzing. Well, it kind of is. So, okay. This is the P. All right. Oops. I'm spilling everything everywhere. Gas breath. Let's do gas breath, which I don't know what it is. That's that. Oh my god. I did it wrong. Here, maybe we could just use this that we just used. Yeah, now it's starting to fizz. But we're gonna use this for the gas breath too. Measurement, pour it into the tall cup. Pennel red. Or whatever the heck it says. Oops. I don't think we can touch that. That's why it keeps saying to use this. Maybe it's toxic or something. Which it does say 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. There. Okay. Now stir it with this. Because you can't touch it, apparently. It's fizzing out. Oh, it stinks. Red to yellow. Sorry, did not do that. Growing fungus. The book is getting all wet. Let's do boiled boogers. Girl. Okay. Whatever. Ew. Oops. I don't want that in my hair. So get we experiment. What does the cup come in here? I don't have a bowl. Okay. Let's do it, I guess. So let's just get it in normal. I'm scared it's gonna stain everything though. I'm scared it's gonna stain glass. So let's do more a different day because yeah. The P? There's no P label. Okay, I'm gonna go throw this into my sink because we don't need it. You're also gonna watch me clean it up. Oh well. Oops. Oh my god. I need to clean that off. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this stuff is. Where is it? Right here. We're keeping the guts on the eyes. Wait, I don't have any eyes. Whatever. Why I don't have any eyes is because I threw it up. Or no, I used it. Like I screwed it up. Oh wait, no, I should probably save them. I'm saving these because, and I'm doing those. Ah! And then we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna need that, and then that is already done. That is already done. Now this has a blue lid. Ugh. I think I'm all done. Okay. If we try another one, I'm gonna record it, but those are for microwave ones. This was just random stuff. The stuff you just do at a desk, which I'm not at a desk, I'm actually in my kitchen. Well, whatever, if this spills in it, it spills in it. I'm sure it's fine. Oh! Okay, whatever. We'll just put them on top and then that on top. I'm sure if I don't throw it around or anything, it'll be fine. I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hands and wash this after because it's pretty bad. It feels toxic. Oh, there's little bags to put them in and then label them. So I'm gonna use these. Well, I guess now we just have to clean. Right. Let's label them and then we'll go. I made guts and blood cells, so I'm gonna do that. Let's put the guts in first. Which are these? I made like a worm chunky one. I love this one. This is my favorite one, I think. The guts. one. He's nice. I should call one of my friends and then just go, hey. Oops. Oh. Okay, so these are the guts and then the blood cells. Yeah. We need to squirt one before we go. We need a label. Guts. Guts label. Okay, there we go. Got it. There we go. So let's put that off to the side because we have that in a bag because it is toxic. So we can't do that. Alright. We technically still do have eyeballs. Like this is kind of an eyeball, but we can save them and pretend they're eyeballs. Let's just say they're eyeballs. And then those are those. And then we can just add to them. And then we need to wipe down because littlest brain cells or blood cells. Blood cells do not eat. So we have the guts and the blood cells. I think the guts and the blood cells and stuff were my favorite. Eyeballs. Okay. So we have the eyeballs, blood cells, and guts. So, and my hands are itchy. Well, let's go. I'm gonna put the scissors away and then I'm cleaning. I'm scared my iPad is gonna fall into this guts mess. Some paper towels. We don't have much bags left. I have bags too, but so that's good, I guess. Ugh. This is the paper towel I was using. Let me clean out this. There we go. Clean. I'm sorry, I have to. There. The baby droplet. We're gonna definitely need a new. There we go. Okay. What am I looking for? Right, paper towel. We have no more paper towel. I need to run and get some toilet paper. Okay, I'm back. Right, this thing is hurting my face. Oh. It's kind of blurry here. My head is free. Why are you staring at me? You're like, my mom is looking at me like this. Okay. There we go. Garbage. It actually looks like pee because it's on the toilet paper and it's yellow. Okay. We have all my beautiful stuff. Now, let's put them all to the side. Okay. We will definitely need those glasses later. I don't know when I'm gonna do this again, but we have another chemistry set, so we might do it in the middle of this one too. But no, we're not doing it this video because it's already been like an hour of a video. Oops. Oop. But yeah, I'll be making long videos, so you can just take breaks from me though. I mean, when you're bored, you can watch me. Great idea. When I'm bored, I'll watch myself. Oh my gosh. There. Just because I'm probably going to do it again. This is recycle. Let's get scrubbing. Just kidding. Who do you think I am? That's good. Okay. That is it. This is awkward. No. Okay, bye. My next video will be I don't know. So bye. But it'll either be Puppy Charms,